Hey, how's it going, y'all? Right now we have a 2025 Silverado 2500 HD 4x4. So this is the 4x4 model. The white one that I showed you before was not 4x4, it was just rear-wheel drive. Now this one looks like it has a longer bed. So I would say this is now a long bed. Yep, this is definitely a long bed. So now this is what a long bed is. So this is a 4x4 long bed, 2500 Silverado HD, 2020, all black. I mean, it's a brand new car, only 2 miles on it. It's dirty. This is how it came off the truck. So it hasn't been to cleanup yet. It's a 6x6 liter gasoline engine, Allison transmission. Give you a look of the front. No fog lights. This doesn't really have any upgrades. As you can see, you have steel wheels. What you see right now, I'm doing the nitrogen fill in the tires. But as you can see, it's steel wheels. It would normally have rims if there's any type of upgrade, but this is pretty much your base 4x4 long bed. Mostly a work truck. The interior is very plain. You don't really have an interior carpet. You don't have any bed liner. Let me show you as far as in the interior what I was saying about the carpet. You see, it's not carpet. New car. Gotta unravel. But you see, this is not carpet. This is like a plastic. Normally this is how the work trucks come when they're like mostly used for work purposes. Go ahead and show y'all the front. As you can see, no carpet. It's just a rubber floor. I'm gonna give y'all a look from the driver's seat so y'all can see how the dash may look. Let me see something real quick, y'all. Okay, I was just making sure my camera was shooting properly and that my settings were right. Got our wheel covers. Gonna install those. Give y'all a look at the motor. Yeah, it's pretty dirty, but it'll look much better once it's cleaned up. Go ahead and sit in here so y'all can see what I see. There's no reason for me to cut it on. I just wanted y'all to see the dash, really. Nothing fancy. Pretty basic. Not like the high countries or the Z71s. Center bench sheet. No sunroof, no back glass. The side open and closing back glass, it doesn't have that. As you can see, the steering wheel is very plain. That's why I say it's more of a work truck than it is your truck that you would buy for features. Okay, nice to put inside there. You get leather, you get some type of leather seats. I wouldn't say it's real leather. But you get leather seats. As you can see, 6.6 liter. Coolant's good, brake fluid's good. I'm gonna check the oil, make sure the oil is good. See, nitrogen fill. Oh my God, how did that happen? So now the hose is crushing. That's not good. And I tried to avoid that. I don't even know how that happened. How did that even happen? I don't even know. The dumbest things that happens. And I made sure that this truck wasn't on the hose, so I don't understand how this even happened. Whatever. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wheel covers. Go ahead and grab my gun. Now I'll pull it from, oh wow, still underneath it. I want to see if I can get it out, but I don't want to damage anything. I'm trying to get it out, but just my luck. It looks like the car moved forward, and I don't even know how the car moved forward. But whatever. Can't tire with sport milk, right? It already happened. What's gonna happen is it's just not gonna pump up the left front wheel properly, so I'm gonna have to go back and manually pump it up. That's all. It's not really that big of a deal. Yeah, I mean, it's still pumping on this side, but it's just pumping a little slower. It's gonna be fighting to fill it with air because of the other tire being on top of it. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm gonna double check the oil, put on this last wheel cap, and get the vehicle ready for cleanup. So once again, this is a 2025 Silverado, Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4 long bed. Have a good one, y'all.